Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let me show you how to activate your Bank of America credit card. So on your browser, please search Activate Bank of America credit card. Right there you will see the first link, which is the activating your credit card with the official Bank of America website. Please tap on that and it will redirect you to this page right here. So as you can see, there are two options. If you have an online banking account, then you can proceed sign in to online banking. But if you don't have, then you should enroll in online banking first. You just need to provide your card account number, details, and SSN, which is the social security number. Press continue, and then you can um, go ahead and use or go to the sign in, then navigate to the activation area where you can now activate your Bank of America credit card without any hassle, and you can use the card straight away.